All right, so welcome back, everybody, to the Eric and Tom Show. We're back and ready to get started. And look, it is what it is. We're kind of short-handed, so Billy was going to show up today because we've got quite a little bit of resin to mix up. It's going to take both me and Tom to mix it. So we're going to bring you all back just as soon as possible. You're not going to miss none of the cool stuff, but the mixing part, we normally try to show you and all that. Probably not going to be able to this rip, but, always read your containers, whatever resin you're buying, your purchase. Just thoroughly read everything. Each resin is a little bit different than the next, depending on what you got going on. But we do want to show you the front side. Check it out. So here's where we're at since you last seen. The table's completely dry. It's been drying since yesterday. What we did was we went ahead with another thing of plastic. We had our table wrapped on the inside so we could clearly walk around. We went with an additional 3 mil thing of plastic from up under and then ran that out on the floor. We're using a couple of empty containers there to kind of hold our perimeter. So as this goes to roll over the edge, you can see the lip on that plastic right there is further out than where the resin's going to fall off. So the tape is up here, and I want to point this out to you. The tape is up here, and this is tripled up 3 times. We went around, back around, because painter's tape is kind of thin. We let this sit on here all night as well. We already had this prepped up, ready to go. But it creates a stiffer wall. I know we can use, duct tape, other things. We don't want that glue getting up here, hitting the side of that resin. Painter's tape is about the best you can do, so to speak, but it creates a really tight wall, because what we're going to do when we pour this out, we're basically pouring 2 gallons out on this surface. We don't want any to run out off the table, hit the floor until we are ready for that. So at the end of this, we're actually going to be ripping this tape right here. Tom's going to take one side, I'm going to take the other, and we're going to pull this at the same time all the way around. And it's going to cause our design to really self-level, if you will, but it's stretching that design some. So it's all part of the process of what we're trying to achieve here. But we're going to get started. All right, y'all, that's it. We're going to close this out for the night. We deeply apologize that we couldn't show you more of it. Billy was actually doing all of us a solid. he was actually over at the job wrapping up that tile shower floor, which was crucial. This epoxy was crucial, so we had to kind of split up, and as it turns out, we didn't have enough hands to go around. So that's why the shortage in the video and not really showing you a lot of what we had planned on showing you from the get-go. But nevertheless, coming up Friday, we're going to be taking the other top, sitting right over behind me. We're going to be taking that to get it completely finished, plain, drum sanded, the whole nine. And we'll show you that one all the way through and through like we always do. You all have a great evening. And Billy, thanks a lot for everything today, brother. We owe you. Till the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.